What's up, guys? Welcome to the garage after quite a long break, a bit longer than I anticipated, but we're back now, and hopefully I should get a little bit more consistency with the uploads. So what I've been doing over the last couple of days is making a trailer for the WPL C14, the little Toyota. Got this trailer I found on Amazon. I found a manufacturer, it's a German manufacturer that make a lot of 1/16 scale toys, like kid stuff like farm vehicles and bits and pieces like that. And saw this trailer on there, cost me, I think it was $15, so I think it's £12, which is about $15. Very plasticky, but 1/16 scale and goes quite well with the truck. But yeah, as you can see, it comes with sort of bright red and with a black chassis. I've given it a bit of weathering, painted it. So I painted the bed and the side panels and stuff. Painted that with alloy wheel paint, and then gave it some weathering with some sort of rust colours and bits and pieces like that. Added some authentic 1/16 scale trees and a little axe there in the top, and tied it on with some rope. Fits onto the truck really easy. I made a small adapter or small tow hitch made out of a couple of Tamiya parts. The antenna holders, exactly the same, bolted together like that. And then I've drilled a hole through the centre of that one at the top, just to put a pin through. And then the trailer attaches on there, like that. And then you just put the pin through the top, stop it falling off, and that holds it in place. Nice and easy to make. Goes alright. The trailer with all the stuff in it weighs about the same as the truck itself, maybe a little bit heavier. So as you can see, this pulls it along nice and easy. So again, rating these, $30 truck, and it pulls this trailer no problem at all. Anyway, recommend buying one. Links in the description. Also, link for the truck is in the description. Enjoy the video. And if you enjoy the content, please subscribe and support the channel. Anyway, we'll see you next time. Thanks again for all the support. Cheers.